Controversial? Once upon a time, that was what people called this BMW, with its avant-garde, extravagant, flame-surfaced, and flamboyant Chris Bangle designed derriere. Today, the word most would use is timeless. What once shocked now appears elegant and refined. Adrian von Hooydonck's pencils creating a flowing convertible shape that still intrigues the eye today. The defining characteristic of Malachite Green Dark is its remarkable chameleonic property under changing light, in overcast conditions, shade, or at night. The color compresses into an ultra-dark, stealthy hue that looks nearly black or deep carbon, showing only a subtle hint of dark teal. Under direct sunlight, the paint completely transforms. The sunlight wakes up intense, vivid, forest green tones blended with a mesmerizing blue metallic flake. This unique blue flake sets it apart from standard malachite green, which uses a gold flake, giving the S10 variant a cooler, multi-dimensional, and sharper metallic depth. Step inside, and the narrative shifts from avant-garde design to timeless, grand touring comfort. The cabin embraces an aristocratic specification, swathed in Dakota cream beige leather. It is a choice that floods the interior with an airy, sophisticated luminescence, offering a striking, light-filled contrast to the stealthy, dark malachite exterior. Anchoring the sea of cream leather are the rich, dark wood trim elements. This deep, figured burl wood injects a sense of traditional, old-world luxury into Bangle's otherwise futuristic cabin architecture. A subtle reminder of this car's special lineage awaits at the threshold, where the original BMW individual door sills gleam quietly in the sun. A final, understated signature of exclusivity. Driving a 6 Series Convertible of this generation has absolutely nothing to do with haste. It is entirely a matter of road presence and fluidity. The 6-cylinder engine converses with its surroundings without ever raising its voice. It simply accompanies the journey. And when the roof folds away, Bangle's silhouette achieves its finest proportion. It becomes an open-air lounge, quite isolated from the rest of the world.